Hi folks, welcome back to Fish Tank, the show where investors will judge cool new hydro inventions. Brought to you by our team, 20,000 Legos Under the Sea. I'm your host Jacob, and today's investors are Lord Business. You may know him from the Lego movie released recently, and he's learned a lot since then and is now trying to make the world a better place.
I'm not trying to rule the world anymore.
In Hopeful, coming to us from Spain, she's been spending her time looking for inventions to help people.
Hola!
And Emperor Einstein. He's a brainy guy who knows a lot about everything. When he asks you a question, you'd better know the answer.
I don't know it, it's not my phone.
And here to present their inventions are Mr. Whiteboard, Frank, John Paul, and Matt. Gentlemen, what do you have for us today?
Hello there. We are very excited to be here today. What would you say if I told you that there's a clean, renewable source of energy that we're not using that's right above our heads?
Are you talking about the sun? Because I know all about solar energy.
No, it's not the sun. It's a little lower.
Ha, I thought you know everything.
I know it's wind.
Not exactly. It has to do with water. We play design for
Water tower power.
Yeah, if you think about it, there's a man-made waterfall in every water tower. Look, every time someone pours a glass of water or flushes water, water runs down out of the water tower.
What does this have to do with energy?
We can use the water running down to the water tower to create electricity. All we need to do is add a generator.
We like inventions that solve problems. What problem does this solve?
This is more of an opportunity than a problem. Almost every urban community has at least one water tower. Most have many more, but no one is using them to create power.
I should have thought of this first. How did you come up with this idea?
Making sure that some people make electricity using the water coming to people's homes. Our expert, Mr. Obiel, the water shipping intendant, Connie Utilities, encouraged us to think bigger.
The more water in the water tower, the more energy we can produce. The average water tower holds 1 million gallons of water or more, and it's around 50 meters tall. That's a lot of potential power.
How does it work?
First, our water tower design has two pipes leading up into the tanks to the water. One where water goes up and one where it goes down.
We'll put a turbine in the downflow pipe. The water is always in motion, so the generator will always be producing power.
How much power are we talking about?
Generators this size won't be able to power a city. The idea is to use the power produced to lower the energy needs for the utility. But when more and more water towers producing their own power, they get a big effect.
Each water tower is different. The amount of electricity we produce depends on the size of the water tower, type of generator we use, and other things. One size of the Con's water tower has 500,000 gallons. About 130 feet high will make 12 to 13 kilowatts per hour.
Interesting, but this sounds expensive. How much would it cost?
Our idea is to use this design in new water towers or in water towers that need to be repaired or refurbished. For example, Kakonda's latest water tower cost just over $1 million. Mr. Moore, an engineer at Total Energy Systems, helped us figure out that our design would cost $75,000 to $80,000 the first time, but the cost would reduce as we get better installation.
How does this help people?
Takes energy to pump water into the water tower. The utility has to pay for that power.
The Kakana utility spends about $150,000 per year on electricity. Using our design, they could generate up to $11,000. That's a savings about 7%. Or they can use the power to heat up the water tower or run its systems, making it a zero-sum energy user.
We could also adapt this idea to work for skyscrapers too.
I think you guys are onto something. What do you think?
Tune in after the break to see what our investors decide. But the real question is, what do you think? We shared our idea with employees at Kakana Utilities, engineers from Total Energy Systems, Chris Shaw, director of Appleton's Water Utilities, and the Rubber Duckies, a rookie FLL team. Thank you for listening to our presentation.